Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x if we have log of x with base 2 plus log of x with base 3 is equals to 5, and we solve this problem for all the values of x, and at the last we will be verified that is this value of x be the solution or is this value of x be the extraneous root. I hope so you like this method, and now we move towards the solution of this problem. So here we need to use this nice logarithmic property. You know about that. If we have log of b, log with base b of a, so it is equals to log of a divided by log of b. So according to this property of log, we write here our above equation as we apply this property on both of these two terms, and after applying this property it will be written as log of x divided by log of 2 plus, according to this property it will be written as log of x divided by log of 3 is equals to 5. And further in the next step, here we need more simplification, and you see here this log x be the common term, so we need to take common log of x from here, and we get the remaining values are the 1 over log 2 plus from here we get 1 over log 3 is equals to 5. And now here further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as here we need to take LCM of this term, and when we take LCM it will be written as log of 2 multiplied by log of 3, and when we divide this log 2 on here, this log 2 is cancelled out by this log 2, we get here log 3 plus this log 3 is cancelled out by this log 3, and we get here log 2 is equals to 5. So further here we use another property of log. So here we apply this property of log. You know about that. If we have log of a multiplied by b is equals to log of a plus log of b. So we use this property on both of the sides. So here we have these are the sum of two logarithmic terms, so we combine in this way. So when we combine the sum of log of above term, it will be written as log of x into, it will becomes log of 3 multiplied by 2, and it is divided by log of 2 multiplied by log of 3, and this is equals to 5. So further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as log of x into, here we write these two terms separately on this value, and it will becomes here log of x divided by log of 2 multiplied by, this will becomes here log of 3 times of 2 becomes 6, and here we have this is log of 3 is equals to 5. And further in the next step, here we just move these two terms to the right hand side, and it will be written as, and here we again apply this property of log, and according to this property of log we again combine these two terms, and it will be written as log of x with base 2, and here you see that this log 6 over log 3, when we move it into the right hand side it will becomes here log of 3 divided by log of 6, because this is divided by here, when we move it into the right hand side it is multiplied by 5 and it is divided by here. Okay, so now we again write these terms as into the combination of log form, so it will becomes here log of x with base 2 is equals to 5 times of this will be written as log of 3 with base 6. So here we need to use the definition of common logarithm, and you know about that. If we have log of base a and x is equals to b, so this definition of log is implies for if and only if, so this equation is equivalent to this equation. So here we need to move this x to the right hand side, and we move this b to the place of x, and we just remove this b, and we will get here a to the power of b is equals to x. So this is the definition of common logarithm. I hope so you already know about that. And now Now we need to use we need to apply here this nice definition to the above equation. So when we apply here this definition, so our this equation is written as, here we need to move this x to the right hand side, and we move all the terms in the right hand side to the exponent of 2. So it will be written as 2 to the power of 5 times of log 3 with base 6 is equals to, here we move this x to the right hand side and it will becomes here. Okay, because here our target is to find the value of x, so here we easily get the value of x. So now here we need to move this 5 inside the term, and it will be written as 2 to the power of 5 and its whole power is log of 3 with base 6 is equals to x, and we know about that 2 to the power of 5 is equals to 32. This will becomes 32 to the power of log 3 with base 6. So this is the value of x which we get here in this question. Okay, so further in the next step we need to verify that is this value of x is satisfied our given question statement or not. So for verification of this, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is log of x with base 2 plus log of x with base 3 is equals to 5. This is our given question statement, and here in the left hand side we substitute this value of x. So when we put this value of x into the left hand side, it will be written as log of base 2, and the value of x is 32 to the power of log of base 6 and 3 plus, similarly we put this value here and it will becomes log of base 3 into the value of x is 32 to the power of log of 3 with base 6, and we check that is this equals to 5 or not. And here we use another property of log, and you know about that. If we have log of a to the power of m is equals to m times of log a. So according to this property of log, here we move this exponent in the front of this log. So after moving this exponent in the front of this log, it will be written as this will becomes here log of 3 with base 6 into, here we will get log of 32 with base 2 plus, in the same pattern we again move this exponent in the front of this log, and it will becomes log of 3 with base 6 into log of 32 with base 3, and we check that is this equals to 5 or not. So further we need a little bit simplification here in order to get the values 5. For this we write it as log of 3 with base 6 into, here we write this 32 as 2 to the power of 5 with base 2 plus, similarly here we have this is log of 3 with base 6 into, we write this log of 32 as log of 2 to the power of 5 with base 3, and we check that is this equals to 5 or not. So here we again use the property of log, so we apply this log separately on both of these values, and it will becomes log of 3 divided by log of 6, and here first we apply the proper and the exponential property, and we move this 5 in the front of this log, and it will becomes 5 times of log 2, and we apply log 2 separately on both of these values, and it will becomes here log 2 over log 2 plus, here we again break this log these values, and it will be written as log of 3 divided by log of 6 into, here again we move this 5 in the front of this log, and it will becomes log of 2 divided by log of 3, and we check that is this equals to 5 or not. So further we need little bit simplifications, and it will be written as this log 2 is cancelled out by this log 2, and here we will get here 5 times of log 3 divided by log of 6 plus this log 3 is cancelled out by this log 3, and we get here 5 times of log 2 divided by log 6, and we check that is this equals to 5 or not. Further we need to take the LCM of this term, and its LCM becomes here log 6, and here 5 be the common term, we will take common 5, and we get the remaining values are log of 3 plus log of 2, and we check that is this equals to 5 or not. We know that log 3 plus log 2 is equals to log of 6, so it will becomes log of 6 divided by log of 6, and we check that is this equals to 5 or not. So this log 6 is cancelled out by this log 6, and finally we will get here 5 is equals to 5. So this means that the value of x is equals to 32 to the power of log 3 with base 6 is satisfied our given question statement. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.